Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Air Humidifier Double Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Specifications: coverage area 31-40, function other, mist outlet quantity 2, classification, humidification, certification, EMC ROHS, type, ultrasonic humidifier, noise.
Number 3.
Simulation 2-color flame Fireplace Aromatherapy Humidifier creates a realistic flame effect for calming ambience. Ultrasonic mist gently humidifies air while diffusing essential oils. Ideal for relaxation, stress relief, and improving air quality at home or office, combining decorative lighting with quiet, efficient humidification for everyday comfort.
Number 2.
Features: 3 nozzles mist spray ultrasonic air humidifier with color ambient lamp, perfect for decorating your home space. Portable for home, yoga, office, spa, bedroom, baby room, etc. Super quiet, the diffuser adopts ultrasonic technology and runs quietly. It would not be disruptive while you sleep. 2000 milliliters large capacity. Beauty replenishment, car, home, office, multi-use.
Number 1.
4000 milliliters ultrasonic air humidifier with double sprayers delivers powerful, fine mist to quickly improve dry air. Large capacity supports long runtime. Works as essential oil diffuser, creating soothing aroma. Ideal for home, office, and baby room, promoting comfort, better sleep, and healthy humidity levels for daily use.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.